Hey everyone! Welcome to another heartwarming story that will surely bring a smile to your face. Today, we have a special tale about a remarkable dog named Bailey. Bailey is not just any dog, he is a German Shepherd puppy with a heart full of love and a spirit full of energy. Bailey is a German Shepherd puppy, and he has quickly become the star of his neighborhood. At just 1 year old, Bailey has already experienced so many adventures. His curiosity and zest for life are truly inspiring. With his beautiful brown and black fur, Bailey stands out wherever he goes. His coat is not just a sight to behold, but also a testament to his breed's majestic nature. Bailey is a very playful and energetic dog. He loves to run around and explore his surroundings, especially when the ground is covered in a blanket of snow. One of Bailey's favorite activities is playing fetch. Whether it's a ball or a stick, Bailey is always ready to chase after it with boundless enthusiasm. He also enjoys going for long walks in the park. The fresh air and the crunch of snow under his paws make these outings extra special for him. Bailey is not just energetic, he is also incredibly friendly. He loves to play with other dogs and is always excited to meet new people. Meeting new people is one of Bailey's favorite things to do. His friendly demeanor and wagging tail make him an instant hit with everyone he meets. Bailey lives with his loving family in a cozy house. This house is not just a home for Bailey, it's a place where he feels safe and cherished. His family loves him very much. They make sure that Bailey feels like an important part of their lives every single day. They take very good care of him, ensuring that he is always happy and healthy. From regular vet visits to daily playtime, Bailey's well-being is their top priority. Bailey brings so much joy to their lives. His playful antics and loving nature have a way of brightening even the gloomiest of days. He is a true member of their family, and they couldn't imagine life without him. Bailey's story is a beautiful reminder of the joy and love that pets bring into our lives. So, next time you see a dog playing in the snow, think of Bailey and the happiness he brings to his family. One day, something magical happened. It started to snow. The first delicate snowflakes began to fall from the sky, gently drifting down and covering the ground in a soft, white blanket. It was the first snowfall of the season, and the entire neighborhood seemed to transform into a serene winter wonderland. The air was filled with a sense of calm and quiet as the snow continued to fall, creating a picturesque scene that looked like it was straight out of a storybook. It was Bailey's first time seeing snow. Bailey, the family's beloved German Shepherd, had never experienced snow before. As the snowflakes began to accumulate on the ground, Bailey's curiosity was piqued. He watched intently from the window, his eyes wide with wonder and excitement. The sight of the falling snow was mesmerizing, and Bailey couldn't wait to explore this new and unfamiliar world. Everything was covered in a blanket of white. The houses, gardens, and streets were all transformed by the snow, creating a stunning winter landscape. The once familiar neighborhood now looked like a magical snow-covered paradise. The rooftops were adorned with a layer of snow, and the trees were draped in a sparkling white coat. It was a sight to behold, and Bailey's family couldn't wait to share this special moment with him. The trees sparkled with frost. Each branch was delicately coated with a layer of frost, glistening in the soft winter light. The frost added an extra touch of magic to the already enchanting scene, making the trees look like they were covered in tiny, shimmering crystals. It was a breathtaking sight, and Bailey's family marveled at the beauty of the winter landscape. The air was crisp and cold. As Bailey's family stepped outside, they could see their breath forming small clouds in the chilly air. The cold winter day was invigorating, and the fresh, crisp air filled their lungs with each breath. The fog added a touch of mystery to the scene, making the winter wonderland even more enchanting. It was a beautiful winter wonderland. The entire landscape was transformed by the snow, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. The park, usually bustling with activity, was now a quiet, snow-covered haven. The snow blanketed the ground, creating a soft, white carpet that muffled the sounds of the world. It was a moment of pure tranquility, and Bailey's family felt a deep sense of joy and wonder as they took in the beauty of the winter scene. Bailey's family was excited to share this special moment with him. They knew that Bailey would be thrilled to experience the snow for the first time, and they couldn't wait to see his reaction. The family quickly bundled up in their warmest winter clothes, eager to step outside and join Bailey in the snowy wonderland. They put on their hats, scarves, and gloves, making sure they were well prepared for the cold weather. They bundled up in warm clothes. Each family member layered on their winter jackets, ensuring they were protected from the cold. The excitement was palpable as they prepared to step outside and experience the snow together. Bailey watched eagerly, his tail wagging with anticipation. He could sense that something special was about to happen, and he was ready to be a part of it. They took Bailey outside to experience the snow for the first time. As they opened the door, Bailey bounded out into the snow-covered yard, his paws sinking into the soft, white powder. He looked around in amazement, taking in the unfamiliar sights and sounds of the winter landscape. The cold snow felt strange beneath his paws, but he was too excited to care. Bailey's family followed him outside, laughing and cheering as they watched him explore the snow for the first time. Bailey had no idea what to expect. He sniffed the air, his nose twitching as he tried to make sense of the new smells. The snow was unlike anything he had ever encountered before, and he was determined to investigate every inch of it. Bailey's family watched with delight as he explored the snowy yard, his curiosity leading him from one discovery to the next. He looked around in amazement. The world had changed overnight, and Bailey was captivated by the transformation. The snow-covered landscape was a new and exciting playground for him, and he couldn't get enough of it. His family shared in his wonder, their hearts filled with joy as they watched Bailey experience the magic of snow for the first time. His eyes were wide with wonder. Bailey's expression was one of pure amazement as he took in the beauty of the winter wonderland. The snow had turned his familiar surroundings into a magical new world, and he was eager to explore every part of it. Bailey's family felt a deep sense of happiness as they watched him play in the snow, knowing that this was a moment they would cherish forever. The first snowfall of the season had brought a sense of magic and wonder to their lives, and they were grateful to share it with their beloved Bailey. At first, Bailey was a little hesitant. He sniffed the air cautiously. He wasn't sure what to make of the cold, white stuff falling from the sky. Then, a snowflake landed on his nose. Bailey flinched in surprise. He shook his head quickly. The snowflake disappeared. Bailey looked up at the sky. He watched as more snowflakes fell to the ground. He realized that the snow was nothing to be afraid of. In fact, it was quite fascinating. Suddenly, Bailey's hesitation vanished. He started to run and jump in the snow. He was so excited, he couldn't contain his energy. Bailey chased after the snowflakes. He tried to catch them with his mouth. He rolled around in the snow. He had never felt anything like it before. Bailey's family laughed and played with him. They threw snowballs for him to chase. They watched in amusement as he explored his winter wonderland. Bailey was having the time of his life. As Bailey was playing, he made a funny discovery. He stepped on a patch of ice. His paws slipped out from under him. Bailey landed on his belly with a soft thud. He looked surprised for a moment. Then he started to wag his tail. Bailey realized that the ice was slippery, but it was also a lot of fun. He started to slide around on the ice on purpose. He barked happily. His tail wagged so hard that his whole body wiggled. Bailey's first snow day was a day he would never forget. He had so much fun playing in the snow. He learned that snow wasn't scary at all. In fact, it was amazing. The snow brought out Bailey's playful and energetic personality. He was like a little kid again. His joy was contagious. Everyone around him couldn't help but smile. Bailey's first snow day was a reminder of the simple pleasures in life. It was a reminder of the magic that winter can bring. After hours of playing in the snow, Bailey was finally tired. He curled up on the floor near the fireplace. He was content and exhausted. His family wrapped him in a warm blanket. They gave him some delicious treats. Bailey drifted off to sleep. He dreamed of snowflakes and snow angels. Bailey's first snow day was a special day for him and his family. It was a day filled with laughter, joy, and the pure happiness that only a dog can bring. Bailey's story reminds us of the incredible gift that pets are in our lives. From the moment they enter our homes, they become a part of our families, weaving themselves into the fabric of our daily routines and special moments. Their presence is a constant source of joy and comfort, a reminder of the simple pleasures that life has to offer. They bring us joy, laughter, and unconditional love, whether it's a wagging tail that greets us at the door after a long day, or the way they curl up next to us on the couch. Their love is unwavering and pure. They have an uncanny ability to sense our moods and provide comfort when we need it most. They teach us about loyalty, companionship, and the simple pleasures in life. Through their actions, we learn the true meaning of loyalty and the importance of being present for those we care about. Their companionship is a constant reminder that we are never truly alone, and their playful nature encourages us to find joy in the little things. Pets like Bailey have a unique ability to make every day an adventure. Whether it's a walk in the park, a game of fetch, or simply exploring the backyard, they turn ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. Their curiosity and enthusiasm for life are infectious, inspiring us to see the world through their eyes. They remind us to appreciate the little things, like a fresh blanket of snow or a playful game of fetch. In their company, we learn to slow down and savor the present moment, finding beauty in the everyday. Their joy is contagious, and their zest for life encourages us to embrace each day with a sense of wonder and excitement. So let's cherish our furry friends. Let's celebrate the bond we share with them and recognize the countless ways they enrich our lives. They ask for so little in return, yet they give us so much. Their love is a precious gift, one that deserves to be treasured and nurtured. Let's give them all the love and care they deserve. From regular vet visits to ensure their health, to spending quality time with them, our pets rely on us to provide for their needs. In return, they offer us a lifetime of loyalty and affection. It's a relationship built on mutual trust and respect, one that grows stronger with each passing day. Because with them, life is always a little bit brighter. Their presence brings light to our darkest days and adds a touch of magic to our happiest moments. They remind us of the importance of love, laughter, and living in the moment. So let's hold them close and cherish every moment we have with them, for they truly are a gift beyond measure.